Chapter 1. Things Around Us. If you look at these things carefully, you will notice that things like benches and swings are made by men. Things that are made by men are called man-made things. Things like birds, sun, and clouds that are created by nature are called natural things. All things given above are not the same. Some can move while others cannot. Some can grow, others do not grow. Things which need food, breathe, move, grow, feel, and reproduce are living things. Things which do not show these characteristics are non-living things. Differences between living and non-living things. Living things need food. All living things need food and water to live. Plants make their own food. They use water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make food. Animals and human beings depend on plants or other animals for food. They cannot make their own food. Food provides energy to living things. Non-living things do not need food. Factopedia. Non-green plants cannot make their own food. Living things grow. You must have noticed that you are slowly growing larger and taller. All living things grow. A baby grows into a child and then into an adult. A seed changes into a seedling and then into a plant. The plant then grows into a tree. Animals also grow on their own. Non-living things do not grow. Living things move. Have you seen monkey jumping on the tree or a lizard crawling on the wall? Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter and to save themselves from their enemies. Do plants move? No, plants do not move. They remain fixed to the soil. However, parts of some plants show some special movements. A pitcher plant traps insects and eats them. A sunflower always moves in the direction of the sun. Non-living things do not move on their own. They move only when we make them move. Living things breathe. All living things breathe. Animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They breathe through stomata, that is, tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. We breathe out air rich in carbon dioxide. A human being and animals like crow, horse, and lion breathe through their lungs. Fishes breathe through gills. Insects breathe through air holes called spiracles. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. Living things can feel. They respond to their surroundings. What happens when you touch a hot object? You take away your hand immediately from the object. This is because you can feel heat. Plants can also feel. Have you ever seen a touch-me-not plant? It closes its leaves on being touched. Non-living things do not feel. Factopedia. Animals and human beings can feel and respond due to their sense organs. Life skills. Never touch the plants, especially at night, as they can feel and they get disturbed. Living things reproduce. A plant grows from a seed. Seeds of a plant produce only that kind of plant. A hen lays eggs out of which only chicks are hatched. A cat gives birth to kittens only. Human beings give birth to babies. Does a chair produce more chairs of its type? No, it does not. The way in which living things produce their own kinds is called reproduction. Non-living things do not reproduce. New words. Man-made things. Things that are made by man. Natural things. Things that are created by nature are called natural things. Living things. Things which need food, breathe, feel, move, grow, and reproduce. Non-living things. Things which do not need food, breathe, feel, move, grow and reproduce. Stomata. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves to help in breathing. A quick recall. Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Things that are created by nature are called natural things. Things which need food, breathe, move, grow, feel and reproduce are living things. Things which do not need food, breathe, feel, move, grow and reproduce are non-living things.